getmybabymoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
Halle Berry, Halle Berry. Halle Berry. Yes, yes, yes. Don't judge me. Miss Berry came out on her Instagram the other day and talked about the reality of traditional roles in which she was not happy at all. Miss Berry, as you may know or may not know, was paying $16,000 a month. Her Instagram account that said, and I quote, "Women don't owe you," ooh, excuse my language, but that's what she said. And she was talking about women don't owe the other parent and I agree with her. But they owe the child. We're back now. And as we said, it depends on how you choose to raise that child. So if $8,000 a month is a reasonable sum, if $16,000 a month is a reasonable sum, if $40,000 a month is a reasonable sum, then it is what it is. And guess what? You really can't argue, but your point goes on to say, I understand that some parents, a man or a woman, may need to help, may need some help. But these modern times, both men and women have the responsibility financially to take care of the children and work hard to do that. Now, Miss Berry, I agree with you wholeheartedly. But what you are espousing is what men have been saying for decades. And you, ma'am, point that out. But you put an interesting twist on it and say, in these modern times, in these modern times, is that to say that a woman can, does, and is making more than a man? Then there's nothing different. We'll be right back.
Welcome to La Hacienda, where there's good food, good times, and great people.
It simply has reversed roles. And the responsibility to do what one must do is the same. It's just a matter of who makes the money. Miss Berry, call me please. Let's talk about it, because that's why we want to expand support. For example, instead of paying the $8,000 a month, have we looked at a co-parenting plan, which means that we might keep them, let's say, 6 months out the year? Oh, you have to adjust your schedule. Oh, okay, I understand. Oh, you have to hire people to take care of them while you do your job. Oh, I understand. But isn't that the same thing that they may have to do, the other parent? You see, we want to get out of this issue where money is the primary focus. We want to start looking at the primary responsibility for raising them, which costs money. And if, as you said, the courts change, then maybe we can get to that. I don't want to misquote you. You said that the laws are outdated and no longer reflect the modern world. That's what you said. Well, if the laws are outdated, let me hear from you. Let's talk about it. How do they need to be changed? They need to encompass everything about raising a child, not just paying the money. Now, your decision on how you address the issue of child support is interesting because as a beautiful woman, as a successful woman, as a woman who can afford $8,000, $16,000 a month, your voice speaks volumes to those who are just making minimum wage, but make it work. Halle Berry, Halle Berry. Now look, judges are people too. Don't you judge me. Halle Berry, Halle Berry. See you next time on Child Support Court. Halle Berry, Halle Berry.